Imagine this. Nikola Tesla, the genius inventor who gave us the AC power we use today, falling in love with a bird. It happened in the late 1800s when Tesla, deep in his experiments, noticed a pigeon outside his window in New York City. But not just any pigeon. Tesla became obsessed with this bird. He fed it every day, and eventually, he claimed he was in love with it. Yes, you heard that right. He said this pigeon was the most perfect being he'd ever known. So perfect, in fact, he believed it was sending him messages from the universe. So, while Tesla invented the future, he also had a soft spot for this pigeon, believing it was his true soulmate. Who knew that even geniuses could be a little quirky? Like and subscribe for more quirky videos.